Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It sets the tone for your energy levels, metabolism, and overall well-being throughout the day. By incorporating the right ingredients into your morning routine, you can optimize your breakfast for maximum health benefits. In this video, we will explore 3 incredible ingredients that, when added to your breakfast for 4 weeks, can significantly enhance your overall health. So, let's dive in and discover these game-changing additions. Chia seeds. Don't let their small size fool you. Chia seeds pack a powerful nutritional punch. These tiny black seeds are an excellent source of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, protein, and essential minerals. Adding just a tablespoon of chia seeds to your breakfast can work wonders for your health. The high fiber content in chia seeds promotes healthy digestion and can help prevent constipation. They also aid in weight management by making you feel fuller for longer, reducing unnecessary snacking. The omega-3 fatty acids present in chia seeds contribute to heart health and reduce inflammation in the body. Furthermore, the antioxidants in chia seeds help protect against free radicals, supporting your immune system and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Turmeric. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly found in curry dishes, is renowned for its numerous health benefits. Its active compound, curcumin, possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Adding a pinch of turmeric to your breakfast can boost your overall health in several ways. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties make it a powerful ally in fighting chronic inflammation, which is associated with various diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Additionally, turmeric can support brain health by promoting the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that aids in the growth and survival of brain cells. Moreover, turmeric has been linked to improved digestion and gut health. It can help alleviate symptoms of bloating, gas, and indigestion. Incorporating turmeric into your breakfast can be as simple as sprinkling it on eggs, adding it to smoothies, or enjoying a warm cup of turmeric-infused tea. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are not only delicious but also a nutritional powerhouse. These colorful fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, making them an excellent addition to your breakfast routine. The antioxidants found in berries, particularly anthocyanins, help protect against oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support cardiovascular health. They also play a crucial role in maintaining brain function and memory. Additionally, the high fiber content of berries aids in digestion, promotes a feeling of fullness, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Berries can be enjoyed in various ways, such as topping your cereal or yogurt, blending them into smoothies, or simply eating them as a snack. Including a handful of berries in your breakfast for 4 weeks will provide you with a myriad of health benefits. By incorporating these 3 incredible ingredients, chia seeds, turmeric, and berries, into your breakfast for 4 weeks, you can significantly enhance your overall health. The fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients present in these ingredients work synergistically to support digestion, heart health, brain function, and immune system function. So why not start your day off right by giving your breakfast a healthy boost? Your body will thank you for it. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or allergies. What did you think of the video? Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.